What up, Tube? Tack here. I'm uploading a different type video this go around. Actually, I wanted to really put this up because I did it all myself, minus building the materials. Bought a house a few months ago, and we had an empty room that my girl wanted to make a walk-in closet. So she got to searching and came up with Ashley Homestore online and had some closet organizers, EasyFit closet organizer systems. I had no idea what else she was talking about at all. Until we got them, I had 22 boxes in the floor and I had to dig for the instructions. But anyway, stay tuned. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And it turned out amazing. I recorded videos periodically as I was getting through the process there, and you'll see. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe to this if you like this type video or whatever. We've got plenty of other projects I want to do, and if you like this type stuff, I will definitely post those for sure. Okay, so we are starting we just got a new house here recently, and we have a room that we are going to make our walk-in closet. So here's what it looks like as of right now. Nothing on the walls. There's our bedroom, entrance into there, and closet with no bars. Spin around, another closet. There's all our clothes from where we moved. Yes, we're still out of bags. About to pay the 4th mortgage payment. So yes, we are still out of bags, minus what we've already worn anyway. So this right here is all the nice EasyFit closet system. Well, we bought it on Ashley Homestore online. So anyway, so this is the before. This is how far I've gotten so far. We've got 2 things. It's going to stretch out all the way to the doorway, and then another one that's going to meet. This is a corner piece where I'm starting at, and then right here from this wall to this wall here is going to be another long organizer. And these are going to eventually have closet inserts for them as well. So yeah. I'll keep posting videos as the progress goes. So we'll see how it goes. So, an update. I have made progress, which is, I'll tell you, I looked at it yesterday morning and I about went nuts. Anyway, that's just minor issues with the house. I'll show one thing that threw me off. Up there in that corner, that molding is off, so it threw my measurements way off. Same with the other side. I don't know if something with the crown molding whenever it was remodeled, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, but progress. So right here's what I've got up so far. All in all, very satisfied. Okay, so another update. It's been a few hours, so I've made a little bit of progress. We'll see how it goes. Shit, I'm excited as fuck about it. I'm excited as shit. Excited as shit. It's looking good so far. So, another update. Got to say, well, of course I've been at it for several hours today, but I love the way it's turning out. Love the way it's turning out. I'm gonna step over here and then give you the one side is done. Now I just got this wall right here. The wall right here behind this door, minus the boxes, obviously. And then this little corner right here, and then obviously the shelves. So I'm calling quits for the night. I've made it this far. Almost got that other side of the wall done. Oh yeah. This whole motherfucker is gonna be a walk-in closet. Another update. Got a lot more done since the last time I recorded. So here we go. I'm loving this home store setup. It's fucking so dope. So dope. Just added on the back there behind the door. Finishing up this one right here in just a few. All in all, love it. Love it. Next is the closets. Oh yeah. So, got it all put up for the majority. Now we're going through the bags that were in these closets. And then you've got this. And then, of course, all of this. Of course, you've seen this, you know this. Hey, what's new? The 2 drawers. The only thing that's left is the last one. Bam, 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 bam. What's up? Okay, so final update. Finally got finished. We unboxed and unbagged everything that was in the bags. And this is what you get. Couldn't be happier with the Ashley Homestore EasyFit closet insert organizer system. It's awesome. I love it so much. Of course, I haven't put all my shoes on there yet. Couldn't be happier with the whole setup. Finally got the whole floor cleaned up. So yeah, dope. Love it so much. Love it so much. Like and subscribe.